Hey guys, it's Joseph. Well, summer's officially here, and we know that this is one of the best times to go out for a fun road trip. And of course, while you're driving away, you're certainly going to need a dash cam installed in your car for protection, especially on those long drives ahead. And if your car has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it's especially nice to be able to have your text messages and even your Google Maps easily accessible right on the infotainment screen itself. Now, this may seem like a minor inconvenience, but having to physically plug in the phone each and every time to your car can feel like such a hassle. We're in the age of Bluetooth and wireless tech, so why can't it just work seamlessly? So this is where the ZZ-Air Pro from ZZ-2 comes in handy, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. We've been talking about dash cams, and this time we're introducing this nifty little gadget meant to keep everything in your car seamless. This is the ZZ-Air Pro wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. It's a simple plug-and-play box, and with it, you don't have to plug your phone in to enjoy Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. What that means is the moment you step into your car and turn on the ignition, the connection happens on your screen right away. What I also really liked were the added functionalities that it brings, like getting to stream off YouTube or Netflix as well. And it does this by converting your factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a wireless connection once the ZZ-Air Pro is plugged into your USB port. It's also a pretty small device, almost close to the size of a cigarette lighter at only 3 inches, so it's easy enough to hide in your center console. So as long as your car has an OEM, aftermarket radio, or already wired with an existing CarPlay or an Android system, then the ZZ-Air Pro is compatible with it. If you want to play YouTube or Netflix off your phone, you just need to have an internet connection, Wi-Fi source, or a mobile hotspot. So for me, I was using my data from my phone. Now, one other thing that I wanted to add is that the ZZ-Air Pro also has an SD card slot. The Pro supports an SD card max of 512 gigs. So I thought this was super neat because, well, if you think about it this way, if you have a micro SD card preloaded with movies, music, photos, and videos, you can simply insert it into the SD card slot and play everything right on your infotainment screen. The ZZ-Air Pro is now available at BlackboxMyCar, so you can go check it out on our website. So the last thing I'll mention is there's a couple other ZZ-2 products that you can check out too, like the ZZ-Air CP, the Dual, and the Zeus Ultra, which is the most advanced adapter in their lineup, where you can not only stream YouTube and Netflix, but also a bunch of other ones like Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, Live Sports, and a bunch more. The last one I mentioned does cost a bit more though. Anyways, stay tuned and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button on your way out. If you have any other questions about the ZZ-Air Pro and the other ZZ-2s, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below or reach us via live chat, email, or we're just a phone call away. And if you're planning on getting one from us, use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube at checkout and get 5% off your next ZZ-2 wireless adapter. See you guys later.